Good morning, everyone. So this week's project is the Rainbow Craft. And if you have picked up your packet at the library already, go ahead and open that up. We already have our supplies laid out on the table. Remember, you'll need some liquid glue or a glue stick from home as well.
So we're really excited about this craft. Everyone's craft is going to look different. It doesn't matter if everyone's looks the same. Even Miss Liz's is going to look different from mine, and that's okay. So we're also going to show you our different processes of how we set up our project. So we'll get to that. So we're going to move the screen down, and you'll be able to see what we're talking about. Okay, so you can see that in your packet you'll get a large white piece of paper. You will get a sun die cut and some googly eyes. You will get two cotton balls that you can pull apart to make clouds. You will get all of your colors of the rainbow, and I'm using all of the dots that we get provided for you, but you can choose not to use as many dots as what me or Miss Liz have used. You will also get a book, because our books are at the end of the rainbow. As you can see, my process of putting my project together was I just kind of set everything out, and I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing it. Miss Liz wanted to draw out her rainbow first, and then she's going to add her dots on top.
So mine will probably be more spread out.
Yep.
And that just gives me a guide if you need a little help with your rainbow.
Yeah, like a pattern.
Yes.
Right? Yes. So we're going to start gluing, and we hope you enjoy this craft. And we'll show you what ours both look like at the end.